Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's tutorial video I'll show you how you can log out from your Facebook app. And yes, before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share our video with your friends and family. And yeah, let's get started. So just go to your Facebook app, and once your app is open, then you will see this little profile icon on your top right corner. You can just simply tap on that icon, and then you will just scroll down, and then you will see an logout option below setting and privacy. All you have to do is tap on that option, tap it, and then you will get this little article which says that save your login info. If you want your login info to be saved, I'm gonna choose save, and then you will get a confirmation that you want to log out or not. Then I will just tap on logout option. You're now logged out from your Facebook account, and I hope this video has helped you. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.